I'd like to look and spend just a little minute, really, because it's not just about Ostel now. It's about much more. And this was, we talked about a few years ago, and Ostel developed OsstellConnect, the cloud. The cloud is a database, and it's a worldwide database which enables clinicians to put into data. Now there's at least 500,000 measurements, maybe many more, on the OsstellConnect database. The purpose of this is many purposes. It has an individual purpose and value to a clinician to be able to record their own data, not in an academic way. But one of the things that's changed in life is accountability. And we are seeing increasingly accountability for the treatment that clinicians do and how they do it. There is no simpler way of demonstrating performance and outcome than with an Ostel database. So it can also be used for intelligent diagnostics. So there's a personal database, and you can download your data, you can present it, you can get feedback and clinical guidance. This is a little bit of what Ostel looks like, and there are little windows and a dashboard which shows you your number of measurements, your healing period, and your total time. It's really simple to use. You don't have to enter a lot of data, and it's incredibly valuable. It's incredibly valuable because it enables you to have access to your own information, to enter the data. It also now will save the data about identification and tracking of implant components, which is so essential. But it predicts the outcome and what's going to happen, and it can be tracked very easily. The nice thing is now embedded in that software, which I was pleased to see, is a report generating tool. So it generates for you a report for a referring dentist to understand the performance of the technology, what's been used, and also an outcome report for the patient with no effort. So that's really quite a nice feature. This is a little bit about the data. And clearly, if you can see the data, what can we do with it?